Glucose monitors have become smarter, faster, and easier to use over the years. Whether you're managing diabetes daily or just starting to track your blood sugar more closely, there's a device that fits your needs. Some people want a monitor that connects to an app and provides detailed trends, while others prefer something basic that just gets the job done. In this video, we're sharing 6 solid glucose monitors worth considering in 2026, each with key features and details to help you find the right fit. Links to all the products we mentioned are in the description below. Number 6. Pro Comfort Glucose Monitor Kit. If you're looking for something simple, budget-friendly, and dependable, the Pro Comfort Glucose Monitor Kit checks all the right boxes. It's made for people who don't need Bluetooth, app sensing, or any extra tech. Just an easy way to check glucose levels at home. This is a complete starter kit. Inside the box, you'll find the monitor itself, a lancing device, a pack of lancets, and a carrying case. Everything is ready to go, and the setup is as straightforward as it gets. That makes it a great option for beginners or anyone who just wants a reliable backup meter. You'll get your results in about 8 seconds, which isn't the fastest out there, but it's quick enough for daily use. The screen is backlit and fairly large, which helps if you struggle with smaller displays or poor lighting. It also stores up to 300 readings with timestamps, giving you a basic log to look back on. It runs on 2 AAA batteries, which are easy to replace. There's also an auto-coding feature built in, so there's no need to manually calibrate when you change strips. Just insert and go. A few things to keep in mind. There's no app or wireless sensing, and the display is monochrome, not color. But for a monitor that usually sells for under $30, it covers the essentials well. If you want something simple, consistent, and affordable, the Pro Comfort Kit is a solid pick that gets the job done. Number 5. MicroTech GoChek 2 Kit. If portability is at the top of your list, the MicroTech GoChek 2 Kit is worth a look. This one is designed for people who are always on the move. Whether you're traveling, commuting, or just want something that won't take up space in your bag or pocket. It's one of the slimmest glucose monitors out there, about the size of a large pen case, and it feels lightweight without feeling cheap. It's simple to use with a clean layout and just the right number of buttons. There's no complicated setup, no menu maze to navigate, just quick, reliable readings when you need them. The GoChek 2 delivers results in around 5 seconds, which puts it among the faster monitors in this list. It can store up to 500 readings, giving you enough room for a few months of history. It also features a USB-C rechargeable battery. A full charge lasts up to 30 days, so you won't have to worry about swapping out batteries mid-trip. There's a strip ejector built into the design for clean and hands-free disposal. And while the screen is on the smaller side, the digits are large and easy to read. Keep in mind, this model doesn't offer Bluetooth or app sensing, so it's not the right pick if you want data on your phone. But if you want something fast, compact, and reliable, this is a great choice. For anyone with a busy lifestyle, the MicroTech GoChek 2 offers convenience without overcomplicating things. Number 4. Metene TD-4116 Kit. If you're looking for a full kit that covers more than just the basics, the Metene TD-4116 delivers a lot right out of the box. It's a strong option for households with multiple users or for anyone who checks their glucose often and wants extra supplies included upfront. This kit is packed. You get the monitor, lancing device, 100 test strips, 100 lancets, a bottle of control solution, and a carrying case. For the price, it's hard to find a more complete package. Using it is simple. The screen is straightforward and the buttons are clearly labeled, making it easy to navigate even if you're using a glucose monitor for the first time. It gives results in around 7 seconds and stores up to 450 readings with timestamps for tracking your trends. One standout feature is the built-in reminder alarm system. It lets you set up to 4 daily alarms, so you'll get a gentle nudge when it's time to check your levels. And because the strips are auto-coded, there's no need to enter a code manually, just insert and go. A few things to consider: it doesn't sync to a smartphone, and while the screen is clear, it's a basic LCD with no backlight or color. Also, it's not the most compact design out there, but still fits fine in a bag or drawer. If you want something dependable with plenty of extras included, the Metene TD-4116 is a smart value pick, especially for high-frequency users or shared households. Number 3. Accu-Chek Guide Me Kit. If you're after something dependable from a trusted brand, the Accu-Chek Guide Me Kit is a strong choice. It's been a go-to for many users over the years, thanks to its simple design and reliable performance. And if you want light app integration without dealing with a steep learning curve, this one strikes a nice balance. The Guide Me offers quick results, usually in under 4 seconds. It uses smart pack test strips, which are easier to handle than traditional strips. They're designed to reduce mess and frustration, especially helpful for users with limited dexterity or shaky hands. The meter stores up to 720 readings, and it can calculate averages to help you spot patterns over time. The screen is backlit, which makes it easier to check your numbers in low light, and the layout is clean with no cluttered menus. For users who want a digital log, this model syncs via Bluetooth with the MySugar app. You can track your numbers, view trends, and share data if needed. It's worth noting that the app's free version offers the basics, while some advanced features require a subscription. A couple of things to keep in mind: the meter runs on a CR2032 coin battery, and while sensing is simple, it's not fully automatic. You'll need to open the app occasionally to trigger data transfers. If you're looking to move beyond the basics without overcomplicating things, the Accu-Chek Guide Me is a smart, user-friendly step forward. Number 2. Contour Next 1. If you like the idea of tracking your glucose levels in more detail and prefer a cleaner, smarter design, the Contour Next 1 might be exactly what you're looking for. It's made for people who want more insight without overcomplicating the experience. This monitor is small, lightweight, and sleek with just one main button and a bright display. What makes it stand out is its smart light system, which gives you instant feedback using color: green for in range, yellow for low, and red for high. It's a simple feature that makes a big difference when you want to check your numbers quickly without diving into the details right away. It connects to the Contour Diabetes app via Bluetooth, where you can log your readings, see trends over time, and even add notes or meal tags. The device stores up to 800 readings, and sensing is fast and consistent once everything's set up. It uses a CR2032 battery, which can last several months before needing a replacement. You'll get results in about 5 seconds, and the app gives you access to more advanced tracking tools and summaries that are helpful for managing your glucose long-term. A few things to know: it works best when fully paired with the app, and it does ask for a few permissions during setup. If you're coming from a more basic meter, the app interface might take a little getting used to. But once you're set up, the Contour Next 1 offers accurate results, smart features, and a modern design that makes daily monitoring feel less like a chore. Number 1. Dexcom G7. For those who need continuous tracking without the hassle of fingersticks, the Dexcom G7 stands out as the most advanced option on this list. It's a CGM system, which means it automatically tracks your glucose levels around the clock. No scanning, no manual input, just real-time numbers delivered straight to your device. Instead of using strips or lancets, the G7 uses a small sensor that's worn on the skin, usually the upper arm or abdomen. It's discreet and lightweight, and each sensor lasts up to 10 days. The warm-up time has been reduced to just 30 minutes, so you're up and running fairly quickly after insertion. The system reads glucose levels every 5 minutes and sends that data directly to your smartphone or Dexcom receiver via Bluetooth. You'll get instant alerts if your levels go too high or too low, making it easier to manage spikes and dips before they become a problem. It's FDA cleared for users aged 2 and up, so it's suitable for both kids and adults. It's especially helpful for people with type 1 or insulin-dependent type 2 diabetes, where precise tracking is key. A few considerations: the G7 does require a prescription in many areas, and it's on the higher end price-wise, although many insurance plans cover part or all of the cost. Setup takes a bit longer than a basic glucose meter, but once it's going, it handles most of the work for you. If you want hands-off, accurate, continuous monitoring, the Dexcom G7 is one of the best systems available right now. That wraps up our list of the top glucose monitors for 2026. The right one really depends on your needs, so take your time choosing what works best for you. If you want more details, the links are in the description below. Let us know in the comments which one you use or plan to try. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.